welcome back. It's been like maybe a minute. Back on the road. It's a Z4. I was wondering what kind of BMW that was. Paranoia's kicking in. I gotta make sure I put my wallet back into my pocket. So right now, tomorrow is supposed to also be very warm, actually a little bit warmer than today. So I'm gonna most likely go riding tomorrow as well, make 2 videos at least. So I should be, pretty soon I should be back to stocked up for a little bit. By a little bit, I only mean like 3 or 4 weeks, because like, my videos aren't way ahead of time during the summer. It's only like a week or 2 ahead. So like, for example, today is April 23rd, I believe. And you guys will be seeing this, I think this is the 2nd video for May. So like, it's not very far back from the time you guys see it. There's another sport bike. Of course, going the other way. First one I see all day and they're going the other way. That's unfortunate. Let's speed up because this light's been green for a while. Oh, shit. Oh, we're good. I made it. If I didn't speed up there, I would have been completely screwed. But we're good. Didn't break any laws. Never would. Like, is that an Indian? I think so. It is kind of a little too warm for this hoodie, not gonna lie. This is the armored NBT one. It's getting a little warm. Which is unfortunate because like the smart side of me prefers to ride around like this in at least a padded hoodie for gear, but the comfort side of me, I guess, the side of me that prefers being comfortable, likes riding around just a t-shirt, just because, and letting the sun hit my arms and stuff like that, get a nice little tan, because it's so much more comfortable, and I'm usually pretty pale anyways, so it's good to get a tan. Get some vitamin D and stuff. But I also know that like, if I wreck on asphalt, you know, because last time I wrecked I went into the grass, so I would have been fine. But like, if I wreck on this, I'm gonna want long sleeves on. And obviously you never know which day you're gonna wreck, so I can't be like, oh, well, today I'm, ooh, dark gray C8 with black rims, that would be nice. Obviously, I can't be like, oh, today's safe, I'm gonna wear short sleeves, because I don't know that for sure. But this is getting toasty. I was gonna say, I'm gonna go straight this time instead of gay. No, instead of home, I was gonna go straight on this road, but I hate the traffic in that area, especially this time of day. Well, this is evening, I guess, but this is like not peak traffic hours, but it still hasn't fully died down yet, so that'll have to be a different day, because I'm not sitting at those lights for a half hour. Oh, so that was something I wanted to mention. I forgot to do it on the way down. But right here to my left, if I were to take this left turning lane, leads into the parking lot where I used to go to those car shows quite frequently. Ones with like the older model cars and stuff. I have a couple videos at them, but the problem is those were on Saturday nights, Saturday evenings, and as I said like 2 videos ago, whatever, 2 or 3, I work Saturdays. So I'm not going to be able to go to those anymore, which kind of sucks. I think the ones that I would end up at occasionally that was like way down the road, kind of by the get-go, I think those were on Thursdays, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong, but yeah, that parking lot right there, that's where they were. But I think the other ones are on Thursdays, so I might try to go to one of those. It won't be tomorrow because it's the same road I just took today, so I'm not going to do that for 3 different rides in a row. That's just too much. I already have a plan for tomorrow, as long as I go out, weather permitting, as long as it doesn't rain or anything. I have a plan for tomorrow's videos, I should say, so I'm going to stick to that. But one of my Thursdays off, I'll probably head the whole way down there and see if they're having any little car show or anything, because I do enjoy going to them, and people have told me they enjoy watching those. So obviously, if it's something you guys enjoy, I'm going to try to do more of it, or at least continue to do it, because I never want to do something you guys enjoy so much that it becomes like regular. For example, I'm Kay, one of the biggest moto vloggers as far as I know. Dude's got like 9 bikes, I think, like 8 or 9, and of course I own most of them. Hello. He has a lot of the bikes I really like. He has an H2 and an H2R, I think. He has an R1M. He has a BMW S1000, I believe, or he did. He has Ducatis, like all kinds of super nice bikes. But yeah, he also has a huge following, so like that's part of why. I think he has nice cars too. Anyways, I like him. I like the guy. I personally don't have any problems with him. Like, he's not like Matthew Woods or Jigsaw or someone like that where I know stuff about them and don't like him. As far as I know, he's a good dude. Pretty nice. It's like, I don't have any problems with him. The only thing I don't like, I used to watch him all the time, especially in college and stuff when I was supposed to be paying attention to the courses that I needed. I was watching him in the back of the class with subtitles on. I like his videos, but lately it feels to me like most of them have just been him going to a car meet and then just talking for 20 minutes, like just standing next to the bike or walking around cars, talking to people and stuff like that, and that's it. There might be like 2 or 3 minutes of riding, and then the rest of it's just like talking to people, which, if that's your style and that's what you like, that's great. If that's what works for him, awesome. I just personally don't prefer to watch that. Like, I'm here to see the bikes and the riding stuff. I'm not here to watch like just a conversation between people. So that's why I don't watch him as much now. I'll still watch his videos, like certain ones, but usually when I see like car meet, it's like a minute or 2 of riding and then the rest is cars. So I'll just kind of skim through to see what cool cars there are and then click off. But like I said, absolutely nothing against him at all. As far as I know, he's a good dude, and he's very successful, obviously. I just personally find those videos kind of like boring, I guess, so I don't really watch them. But what I was getting at is I'm trying to avoid doing stuff like that on my channel. Like, I don't want to bore you guys by doing the same thing over and over again. So that's why I try to like occasionally go to car meets, but not every other video. Oh my God. Watch it. You could have killed me. If I wasn't paying attention. Oh. I should be back in time to watch the Capitals game tonight, so that's cool. It's playoff season. Pens didn't even come close to making it in, so that's awesome. It's always next year for sure. So now I'm just kind of watching the teams that are left. Kind of want the Jets to win it all, so I have on my bracket. But I'm thinking maybe Jets Hurricanes final. Could be wrong, obviously, but I'd love to see that. But that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go home, start editing these videos, and probably watch the Capitals play the Canadians. I'm surprised they didn't open the ice cream side yet. It's great weather for it. It'd be packed on a night like this. They're missing out on a business opportunity. That's gonna be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, as of right now, I plan on making at least 2 videos tomorrow. And I already have a plan for what I'm going to do for one of them. So, looking forward to that. Getting to go out again and enjoy the ride and the nice weather. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as well. And if everything goes as planned, I'll see you tomorrow. If not, then I'll see you in the next one. Later. Oh, you want to go, dude? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Square up. Jump that fence right now. Come on. Beware of dog. Yeah. Okay. What's he gonna do? Jump on me and lick me? I hope so. Oh, pause. That sounded... You know what? I meant because I miss having a dog. And dogs... You know what? You understood what I meant.